What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be reviewing the pods.com. So in the recent time the pods has been the talk of the market, and in this video we're gonna be unleashing the story and unfolding the story about what they are actually doing. Are they legit or are they doing an unethical work? So as you guys can see that the review rating is 2.2 stars for the pods.com. So once we go down, we will see this user is verified user. He has verified his identity using the photo ID. So his review is that he ordered a charred broil grill smoker unit. So he says that he ordered the smoker unit from the Pods on October 10th with no receipt of tracking or delivery information. Just Google and found out it's a total scam. Beware of the scammer, they will steal your money. So here's the poll. Here's Dave. Everybody's saying that they scammed them. Google Shopping search shows that they sold coffee, from New Orleans. I ordered and product did not receive. International transaction to Thailand. International scammers. Please not use them. So here Mike John saying that my wife ordered Halloween decorations on October 9, 2024. Turned out to be a scam company. So alert, stay away. Here, I'm gonna go to visit their website, but their website has been down. So must be some serious case because they have scammed a lot of people and taken their money, and they might have just run away. So when we go to the Radvisor website, we can see that the website, their review about the dpos.com. So the website appears and usability. So first thing you will notice when website depos.com is its design and interface. It has a modern sleek layout which gives the impression of professionalism. So the lack of transparency. One of the significant red flags for many users is the lack of detailed information about the company behind the dpods.com. Legitimate websites usually offer clear details about their business, such as the company physical location, contact information, and legal credentials. Unfortunately, dpods.com lacks transparency in this department. So the customer reviews, I have shown you the customer reviews, so you guys can understand that they are not doing any legitimate work. They are like scammers and beware of them. So potential signs of scam. Lack of licensing information, numerous negative reviews, unresponsive customer support, and number fourth is account raising without explanation. So this is the verdict that this website is scam, and please be careful before you put any money in this website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.